Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Ma'am, what's your name?
Saba.
So, what program are you applying for?
I'm applying for Masters of Project Management
Why ZABIST?
because main reason is that this program gives me a time benefit. It's just a 1-year degree, and I don't think anywhere else I could get a 1-year degree. So this was the main reason. Other than that, project management isn't offered in a lot of universities. So ZABIST was my first choice for this.
So, where have you done your college from?
Aga Khan High School.
What are your future preferences?
Future preferences are I am a civil engineer by profession. I've studied from NED University and I'm looking to establish myself as a very successful project manager. So that's why I have decided to opt for this program, and I see myself working in a big company someday, but don't have very hard and fast plans right now. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.